Introduction. There are many stay-at-home moms that dream of making extra money from home while they are taking care of their children. This really can be a reality if you approach it right. There are several cases of stay-at-home moms making significant amounts of money online with internet marketing. The good thing is that you can find the time to develop your online business with the help of your family and maybe even friends. You will need to be dedicated to your online business to make it a success, and you will have a lot of learning to do if you are new to internet marketing. Building a successful online business is a very rewarding and satisfying thing to do. You can be very proud to have created something from scratch that creates income for you and your family regularly, even when you are sleeping. There are several great reasons to get involved, as you will discover in this training. In this training, you will discover the different online business models that you can choose from, how to choose the right niche to be in so you have maximum profit potential, how to create your very first website, and how to get visitors to it so that you can make money. We have left no stone unturned in this training. Everything that you need to get started with internet marketing as a stay-at-home mom is here for you. We will guide you step by step through your exciting journey. So, our advice is to go through this training all the way to the end first, and then go back to the start and begin taking action. Just taking this training will achieve nothing. You need to take action if you want to be an internet marketing success. We wish you every success in internet marketing. Is internet marketing right for you? As a stay-at-home mom taking care of your child or children, there is a great opportunity for you to make money with your computer and a connection to the internet. There are many internet marketing models that you can choose from, and we will cover some of these in this training. The first thing that you need to do is assess whether working from home doing internet marketing is the right thing for you to do. It is not for everyone. To be a successful internet marketer, you need to be committed and make time to perform the necessary tasks. This is not always easy when you have children to take care of. The good news is that there are many ways that you can earn money online from home, and there should be a solution that is right for you. You are interested in internet marketing from home. Otherwise, you wouldn't be taking this training, would you? So, we want to convince you that you can make money online from home while taking care of your kids at the same time. Many other stay-at-home moms are doing this, and there is no reason why you cannot do it too. It is important that you take a few things into consideration before settling on an internet marketing online business model that suits you. You need to ensure that your children are being looked after first and foremost. There is also the financial side to bear in mind as well. Getting support from your family. Having the support of your family is essential for you to succeed with internet marketing as a stay-at-home mom. Not all of your family members are going to understand what you will be doing or why you are doing it, so you need to do your best to make them understand. You need to devote uninterrupted time to your online business pursuits. So you need to explain to your partner and your children, if they're old enough to understand, that when you are working, then you don't want to be interrupted. This can be tough on your kids if they are used to you responding to their every whim. If you have young children that require a lot of care, then you need to have a support network in place that will take care of them when you need to work. If you have a partner, then they should be fully behind you and willing to take the children off your hands when you are working. Your mom and dad and your partner's mom and dad can help too if they are willing and live reasonably close by. A lot of grandparents complain that they don't see their grandkids often enough. Well, this is an opportunity to change that. Ask members of your family to help you with other things around the house. If you have teenage children, then they can help with washing dishes, buying groceries, and other stuff. Teach them how to use the washer and dryer and the dishwasher. This might not go down too well initially, but if you pitch it in the right way to them, they will probably help. Consider your financial position. One of the best things about starting an online business from home is that the costs are a lot lower than with a conventional business. But you will probably need to spend a bit of money to get going. You need to be realistic and accept that it will take you a while to earn the income that you want. Some online business models require more of an investment than others. We will explore this later in this training. Being in control of your finances is important here. You need to know what your regular commitments are every month, such as mortgage or rent payments, utility bills, groceries, money for the children, and so on. Go through your monthly account statements in detail. Are you and your family spending money on things that you don't really need? If so, then discuss cutting these out with the family members involved. If you are going to create your own website, which is a good idea, then you will need to spend around $10 a year for a domain name, your website address online, and a few bucks a month for website hosting, where your files are stored and made available on the internet. You may also need to use an autoresponder service. This is a service where you can send out automated emails to your potential customers, which will cost around $20 a month. With some online business models, you can get started for literally nothing, in other words, affiliate marketing, And many people have done this. You need good self-discipline. Having the support of your family and the necessary funds to get started with your online business is good, but it will be useless if you don't have the self-discipline to work on your business regularly. There are many possible distractions when working from home, so you need to be strong and focus on your internet marketing. You need to be motivated to work on your online business often. Every time you get a window of opportunity to work on your business, then you need to take it. The best way to stay motivated is to set yourself some goals and create a why statement. Your why statement is your reason for starting your online business. You need to think hard about this and then write down the reason or reasons why you want to make money online. Maybe you want to buy a new home, a new car, put your kids through college, or go on a wonderful vacation. The reasons are personal to you. Your why statement needs to drive you to work on your online business. When you get involved with internet marketing, things are not always going to turn out the way you expect them to. This is when it is really tempting to give up, and a lot of weak-minded people do give up. If you experience thoughts like this, here is something that will keep you going. Some stay-at-home moms have created online businesses at home that are now worth millions of dollars. Just do a search for this and you will find lots of examples. Moms that had a career before are now earning more than double their salary from home while taking care of the children. It can, and it does happen. When you work from home, you set your own hours. There's no boss to answer to demanding that you start work at a certain time. You work when you want to and from a practical point of view when you can. That being said, we recommend that you try and schedule your work time. You will know if you are more creative and productive at certain periods of the day. Some people prefer mornings while others perform better in the afternoon or evening. This is your golden time. One of the things that you will have to work hard to avoid is distractions. We're not talking about the children here, but other things such as TV, social media, and your phone. People spend a great deal of time on social media these days. If you are someone who does this, then you need to cut this time down. Ask yourself this: is it more important that I focus on my online business or log into Facebook to see what my best friend had for lunch? You already know the answer to this. There's no reason why you shouldn't use social media. In fact, it is a great way to get the word out about your online business. But limit the time you spend on it. You need to make a decision about which of your family and friends you tell you are starting an online business. Why? Because some people just won't get it. They will be negative about the whole thing and tell you that you are wasting your time. They will have no evidence to support this, of course. Some people will be jealous that you are an online business owner. They will hate the fact that you are trying to be successful. These people will do everything they can to put you off. If this sounds brutal, then it is a harsh reality that you need to face. Some of your closest friends and family members will think that you are crazy and will be negative. Don't let these people put you off the idea of starting and running a successful online business. If someone says something negative to you about working from home, then just think to yourself, it's just their opinion and they are wrong. Avoid getting into arguments. Just tell people that you have made up your mind to do this and nothing is going to stop you. Change the subject if you have to. Some people just love an argument, which will waste your time and drain your energy.